state management, Pinia or Vuex, it's time to think about it because currently all of them you can get it inside Vue 3. Let's say we have a store here, and here we defined our store here. So let's create a new file. Let's name it as store.js. Let's create a store with having three properties. One is the counter, and the increment and decrement function. I'm defining the counter itself. I define two functions, increment and decrement. Let's import this file into our app.vue. As you can see, if I try to access this properties of counter, we can automatically get the value of 0 here. Let's on click and on click of the decrease button. Let's increase and decrease it. As you can see, on decreasing, the value is getting increase and decrease. Think of it as one example where you have the store.js as a common component file, or a common store all over your JS file, and then you can import it individually to any of your component. So in this example, let's try to import the component, and the app is still the same and it increases by the same value. It's wholly reactive, and yeah, that's how you can use your common or unified store all over your store. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was quite helpful.